After downloading the data set, this is the RAR file which we have obtained. You can right click on this, press this extract to button. We can extract it to a folder. So it's extracted here. This is CSV file. This is my data set. Double click this. It's very important to first understand the data before creating any project, before creating any model. This is the data set for stock price prediction. And here I have highlighted this row. This is the date column, open column, high column, low column. So in all there are 13 columns. So let's understand all of these columns first to understand data, because whenever we create any model, it's very important that what data we are going to feed it. So it's very important to pre-process the data first, and to pre-process the data, again it's very important to understand the data. As we are going to create a model for stock price prediction, so here are some of the basic terminologies, basic columns we must understand. So the first is date column. Date is the date on which the trading took place. The second is the open column. Now open column means the opening price of the stock. For example, New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 a.m. in morning 9:30. So the opening of an exchange on trading day is the opening price for that particular share. The next is the high. High is the highest price at which a stock traded during the course of trading day. So this is the highest price at which trading took place, or you sold share at so and so highest price. The next is low price. Lowest price at which the trading took place, the lowest price at which someone sold the share. The next is the closing price. The closing price is the last price at which a stock trades at the end of the trading session. So this is the last price anyone paid for a share of that particular stock. So this is the last transaction, or this is the last trading which took place, and this is the last price which is recorded. So this is called as closing price. So this is opening price. This is the highest price at which the trading took place. This is the lowest price at which the trading took place, and this is the closing price. The next is the volume. Volume means the number of shares traded of that particular company on that particular day. Now for example, if 5 people sold 10,000 share of that company, then the volume is 10,000. Or if some person sold 1,000 shares to his friend, then that 1,000 is volume. So basically volume is the number of shares traded on that particular day for a particular company. This is the X dividend. This is the split ratio. Now the split ratio is to boost the liquidity of the share, company divides the existing share into multiple shares. So the splits ratio are basically 2:1 or 3:1. Now what does that mean? So 2:1 means that the stakeholders who have 2 shares for every share held earlier. So that is known as split ratio, where you can split the share. And these are the columns. This is adjusted open, adjusted high, adjusted low, adjusted close, and adjusted volume. Now these are the adjusted prices. Now what is adjusted closing price? Adjusted closing price are the calculated after all the applicable splits and dividend distributions. So all of these prices are adjusted after the applicable splits and dividend distributions. So these are the adjusted rates. Okay, so this is our data set, and here we are going to predict the stock price. So let's use this data set in our code and let's see what happens. So now let's start with the code.